Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone. And just never mind if it's not evening wherever you are. If it's morning, then good morning. If it's afternoon, then good afternoon. If it's night, then good night. But to my case, it is in the evening. And guess what? We are going to make some dinner. And if you're asking yourself, what is for dinner today? I'm just promising you it's gonna be something delicious. Just keep watching and see how I'm going to make it with you. I'm very happy today to have this opportunity to share with you how I'm going to make my dinner. So let's just watch. Welcome.
So before I froze my chicken wings, I had marinated them with yogurt, black pepper and lemon. And so I'm now going to use only 3 ingredients, which are garlic and ginger paste, black vinegar and salt. I'm going to mix very well so that they can dissolve very well into the chicken wings. And after that, I'm going to put my chicken in the oven. I'm now covering my baking tray with a foil paper and put the chicken in the baking tray, ready to go to the oven. And so now I will let the chicken wings stay in the oven at a temperature of 240 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. And that will be before I flip them. At the same time, I'm going to start preparing my rice, washing it very well before I put my rice in the rice cooker. I'm going to add some water, just a little bit after the rice level. Add some salt to taste and some coconut powder and mix very well. I've also added a teaspoon of cooking oil. So my rice is well taken care of, and I'm going to cook with this rice for 12 minutes. That is an automatic setting. The rice cooks for 12 minutes in this Maltz cooker. So I'm going to prepare a sauce for my dish today, and this sauce is going to have carrots, onions and pepper. But the way that I'm going to do my pepper, I'm going to make sure that it's not that hot. So I'm going to remove all the seeds in the pepper and wash the pepper so that I can reuse. I don't want it to be very hot. Okay, so I don't want to touch this hot chili. So I'm wearing a glove just to protect my hands, as I've got little children. I might touch them anytime. I've added carrots, onions and the peppers into this pot and water. I'm also going to add some salt and black pepper and heat and put this to cook for maybe 10 to 15 minutes in a medium heat. At the same time, my chicken wings are already cooked for 30 minutes, and I'm going to flip them and put them back in the oven for 16 minutes. I wanted to prepare a coleslaw, but I don't have cabbage, and so I'm just going to go with whatever I have. So I'm going to prepare my carrots, red and green pepper, and I'm also going to use an onion. I'm going to chop very small cubes, as you can see. Add this in the bowl, and then I'm going to add mayonnaise, lemon juice, and salt. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of honey and mix this very well. This is going to be my salad for today. So my rice is ready, and I'm going to add some veggies and eggs into my rice. So in a pan, I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil, and then I'm going to put my peas and my onions and carrots and fry very well. I also added my green and red chili before I added the eggs, but I guess that couldn't record. I'm now going to add my rice after I have added and cooked my eggs very well. So to this point, my rice is ready. So going back to my sauce, my ingredients have already cooked very well. I'm now going to add lemon, and I'm going to blend, as you can see there. I added a teaspoon of black vinegar as well into this sauce, but I guess it couldn't record as well. And my sauce is ready. And here are my chicken wings ready as well. Sorry I could not record, but I had to chop off the ends of the wings because they were burnt. I'm now going to give my food a good presentation. As you can see, I'm adding my sauce. I've already added my salads, avocado, the rice is there, and my wings are there. And my food is ready to be served, but I'm going to add some parsley on top of my food just to give it a good look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to watch my other videos. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now, and click the notification button so that you'll be able to get notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and see you in my next video. Bye.